So refuting atheism is very simple, but many people are dedicated to atheism. We can do it through logical arguments. For instance, one would be just an example of one that we all agree on is that imagine you are on vacation, you come home, and there are stacks of neatly folded laundry in your dryer. A logical person would conclude that somebody folded that laundry and put it in the dryers. You don't turn on a dryer and then when it's done you look in and somehow the spinning randomly folded and stacked the laundry for you, right? We all agree that that's ridiculous to believe that. So as a logical argument, you would write it as, premise one, stacks of neatly folded laundry only come from an intelligent being. Premise two, there are stacks of folded laundry in my dryer. Conclusion, an intelligent being folded and stacked the laundry in my dryer, right? Same with a 3D printer. You could walk into a room, you could see a 3D printer printing something, and nobody would say, well, since I didn't see somebody set this up, since I didn't see it being manufactured, I didn't see somebody, turn this on and send the code to it to get it going, you wouldn't say, well, since I didn't see all that, then maybe this 3D printer started printing and it came into existence without an intelligent being. That would be crazy. And so inside every living cell is something called biological translation. There is code inside every living cell known as mRNA, which came from the DNA, and it's translated into a polypeptide chain, which becomes a protein. And many of the molecular machines and enzymes inside living cells are proteins. There are some that are made from nucleotides, but primarily it's from amino acids, so it's a protein. So here's the logical argument for that. Code and the machinery to turn that code into more machine parts only comes from intelligence. Every living cell has code and the machinery to turn that code into more machine parts. So what's our conclusion? An intelligent being started the process of code and machinery to turn that code into more machine parts. My daughter's calling me. This book is great for new believers, and if I were a youth pastor again, then I would just go through these 100 questions over and over with them. It's also great for leading small group Bible studies, mentoring, and as a daily devotional. The Kindle version is only 99 cents.